Hello students, in this tutorial we see how to use hyperlinks in our page. As we know, hyperlinks are used to link a page from one page. So for linking one page from another, we use here anchor tag with the attributes href. Then here text is there, like click here and end that anchor tag. Then we see our page. Then there is a link. When we go on the link, the pointer will be changed like a hand symbol, as we see here. Means there is a hyperlink. Also by default there is underline. But when we click on this, nothing will happen here because we are not giving the page name in this attribute href. So I am giving here my already page which I have created, imagedemo.html, and then save and run page again. Then when I click, then the respective page will be opened here. When we go back, our original page is there, hyperlink demo.html, and then when we click on this, in same page, other page will be displayed in same window. So this is the use of hyperlinking. Then if in my page there is other contents, like image is equal to if I give 100% width and height as 100%, then my page looks like this. Then what I want to show you how we give the links of subsection of the same page. Then if there is h2 tag, this is a subsection of the main page, and if here one paragraph is there, and inside paragraph text, then my page looks like this. My paragraph is at the bottom. I want to add some spaces. here we don't see the subsection at first glance. Then if I use here another link, A anchor tag hrefs, and go to hash subsection, go to subsection, and here I need to give before the paragraph one anchor tag with label, which is same like this subsection. I need to give here label. Means what I am doing here, when user clicks on go to subsection, the control goes to the subsection of the same page, and if I click here text, then we go to this page. So go to subsection. I think it's done here. What is wrong here? I am giving label, but the attribute is not label but name. And if I run the same page and if I click go to section, then I am going to the subsection of the same page, See the effect? What I'm trying to say you or show you, there are two types of hyperlinking. One type is here, when we click on a particular hyperlink on page, new page will be displayed here on same tab or on different tab. As per our requirement, we can do this. And the second type of hyperlink is linking the subsection of the same page. Means when I click onto this go to subsection, then I am going to the subsection of the same page. Means this is my subsection. So I jump towards the subsection of the same page by using hyperlinking within the same page concept. So you can use hyperlink concept as per your requirement. Now here, as we see, the new page will be displayed on the same tab. This is my tab hyperlink, and if I click, the new page will be displayed in the same tab. If I want to display on another tab, then I need to give one attribute like target is equal to target is equal to new. Means I want to display the page on new tab and not the current tab. So save the code and run again. Then this is the hyperlink tab, and if I click here, then new tab is open. My original tab is here and new tab is here. So we may link the pages as per our requirement. Now what I code here, for normal page linking, give anchor tag inside hrefs attribute and give the page name here. Then target, if you require to give target attribute with new value and some text where this text is displayed on the web page for hyperlinking. And this is the second type, where we go to the same page. After click on this text, go to subsection. In this type, what we do here, for href attribute, we are not giving any page name but some label here, and before label hash symbol is required, and where your subsection is there, give another anchor tag with attribute name, and the value of name is equal to the value of href in this anchor tag. There is no need to give hash symbol into a name value, but it is compulsory in href value. So this is the example where we are doing hyperlinking in two ways. Try by yourself. Thank you.